Okay, so change of plans. Instead of doing the Trackmaster, such as Trackmaster items like the Fisher Price ones here, Revolution, Motorized, and Push Alongs, I'm going to be doing all that separately as well. But here we got the Trackmaster Fisher Price items, including two Percy's. One came with the raised and lower drawbridge, and the other one, and this one came with the Percy's Day at the Farm, Bash, Charlie, Talking James, Duke, Peter Sam. Oh, and Duke unfortunately doesn't have his tender, so I'm just using the brown fish truck as a replacement. And Connor's Race to the Castle, and Colin. Bring him a little closer. But yeah, that's it on the Trackmaster Fisher Price items. But unfortunately, both of these Percys have cracked gears, which is one of the most common problems with these toys. Here's Bash. Oh, I did test batteries. Oh yeah, off camera, I did test batteries out on these engines. Some of them still works, some don't. Bash still works, Charlie works just a little bit, Talking James still works, Duke still works, Peter Sam still works, though slightly. Connor works, though he's a bit slow. And Colin takes on no battery, so yeah. Oh yeah, this Colin came from the Trackmaster set, the Party Surprise. But yeah, not much to say about Colin, other than he had a mechanism to drop a piece of cargo. If you pull on the switch, or if you pull here, this is where the but yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Connor's Race to the Castle. This pack was released to coincide with King of the Railway. Here's Bash. He was released in 2010 to coincide with Misty Island Rescue. Charlie was first released in 2009 to coincide with the DVD release of Splish Splash Splosh, a DVD that he was featured in. But the rest, eh. Oh yeah, James does talk. Oh yeah, James moves on the track, and talks whenever he moves. This is the 2009 through 11 Peter Sam. I think that's the 2012 through 13 or 14 Duke. I'm saying that because of the holes. But yeah, I guess not much to say here. But don't go away, because I got most of the motorized stuff in here to get out. So, well, a bunch of other motorized stuff in here, in fact. So stay tuned for that, will you?